entrance. So go! So this is the entrance, guys. But wait, I'm gonna fix my water first. So guys, yan yung Kadori Farm. Diyan kayo mag-stop pag galing kayong Taipo. And then this is the entrance going to the hike. Look at that, guys! Nature na nature ang daan. O, diba? Chill-chill lang si Kuya. Ang ganda ng camera niya. This is the way, guys. Okay, start na ng hagdan. Ganito na daw ito hanggang taas. Maraming nabuwal na tree from the past typhoon. Oh, no, we're not going in funneling. We're taking a detour later. Okay. Nasa 1/4 pa lang kami, guys. Kasi nga, chill hike, diba? May 1 oras na kami naglalakad. Mas marami yung hinto at kwentuhan. Chill nga, diba? Okay. We're going upstairs. Side is Kaipong Leng. So guys, ayun yung pupuntahan namin. Mag-hiker ka talaga, ma-appreciate mo yung mga. Yes. And then the beauty of the I think this is a viewing point. Okay, picture muna tayo dito. Guys, paalis na kami dito sa viewing point, pero malayo pa kami sa peak, which is the check-in for our Go Wild. Pero i-enjoy namin yung view kasi maganda ang panahon ngayon, maganda ang clearing, at first time namin dito, naghahalap kami ng prutas. Siyempre, paakyat. Guys, itong kami galing. Dan ulit. Tapos yung view ng Taipo at Yunlong. Okay guys, look at that. Itong kami galing. Kaipong Leng. Ganito ang chill hike. Lakad, stop. Lakad, stop. Kaipong Leng. Kaimushan. Galing. Nakataas na ulit kami. Na lang. Ayan. Guys, ito na yung magandang picturean ako to. Okay, those are the famous rock to take photo. We're almost near the peak. After a beautiful spot again, continue our trail. Medyo mainit-init na. Nag-apply muna kaming sunscreen at mag-jonet na. Okay, hanggang ulit. And as usual, Taimushan, Yunlong, and Kaipong Leng at our background. Harap is hagdan. Ayan, maling-maling na daan. Malayo pa kami sa first peak. 3 oras na kami naglalakad. Almost at the peak, guys. Ayan na siya. Paalis na yung mga Pinoy hikers. So guys, our next peak, Pak Tai Toyan. Then we will exit to Kamushung Road or Lamkam Road, whatever that road. Guys, look at the way. Dun sa may mga lilim, kakain. Sana all maraming baon. Okay, ito na yung way papuntang Pak Tai Toyan. Covered siya. Tsaka lumamig na konti. Guys, doon kami galing, oh. Diba? Dito na kami agad. So, yan guys. Malapit na kami sa Pak Tai Toyan. Yung trail dito para siyang patsing din. Na may pagka, basta, halo-halo. Pero maganda yung trail. Kahit mainit. Kasi marami siyang shaded parts. Going to Pak Tai Toyan and Fanling Station, but we will not take Fanling Station. That. Guys, there's a here. Okay, near Pak Tai Toyan na kami. And na naman ang hagdan. Okay. Oo, mamaya. Okay. And we're here at the top. Yay. Yun yung trigo. Okay. Take the Shek to Qtao. It's only 1 3/4 hours. And Fanling is 2 hours. Sa trigo. Okay, let's go to the trigo first. Great trail. And this is Pak Tai Toyan. Okay, we're leaving Pak Tai Toyan now. Going to that way again to Qtai. Qtai ba yun? Hindi kami sa Fanling mag-exit. Malayo masyado. Bye-bye. Yan. Qtao. So, ito ito take namin. Ito siya. O, diba? Laki ng bato. Laki ng bato. Sige. Baka rin, no? From there, from the trigo, come back here. At the back of this rock is the trail going down to Qtao. Dito na kami mag-exit. Going to Kamushung Road. Ito na guys, yung papunta sa Qtao. Mas short kasi ito kaysa dun sa papuntang Fanling. guys, nakalabas na kami ng bundok. Tapos ito, daming suka. May puno ng suka rito. Carrots. Ang daming aso doon, putek. Nakalabas na kami. Dito na kami sa village. Dito na kami na main road. Tingnan nyo, oh, may farm dito. Ang ganda ng daan. Nasa kabihasnan na kami. Ganda nung Kaikongling, oh. Dito sa village na to. Daming fruits. Guys, oh, may malunggay. Ang daming bunga. Grabe. Yan guys, malapit na kami sa main road. Magbabas kami papuntang yun lang para mag-Jollibee. Diba? Tapos na ang aming chill hike, oh. Ayun, oh, bus. Sabi sa inyo, eh. Kaya yan, tapos na kami guys.